we create a dictionary called as A. Now let us assume that we are going to store the marks of each student in this dictionary, and the keys of this dictionary is nothing but student name. Okay, so I will use like this. So ABC is one name and BCD is one more student name and XYZ is one more student name. So there are three students called as ABC, BCD and XYZ. So these are the keys, and for each key we will give the values like this, and key should be separated with comma. So let us assume that each student has 3 subject marks. So that is, first one is maths, second one is science, and third one is language. Similarly, B's marks are 80, 90 and 60, and XYZ marks are 75, 82 and 68. So this is a dictionary which contains 3 student names, and that names are keys. Okay, so each key is having a list of values. So now we will do some manipulation. Suppose I want to find the total marks for each student. So what I will do, suppose I want to find the total marks of ABC. So I will give like this, print A of, the student name is ABC. So this will give the list of 3 subject marks. So let me print this one and see. So this is a list of 3 subject mark, and I want to find a total mark. So that means I have to add all these 3 values. So there is a function called as sum. So when I print this one, you can see that the total mark of ABC is this one. Okay, suppose I want to find the total marks for XYZ, then I can change this one to XYZ, and this is the total of XYZ. Okay, suppose I want to print total for each student, then I have to run a for loop for I in A dot keys. So A dot keys will give list of keys. Okay, and I am going to iterate over that. So now I am going to print 2 things. So first one is the student name followed by the total mark. So total mark is sum of A of 5. So this is student name and the corresponding sum. So let me print this one and show you these are the student names, and for each student what is the total mark. So now I am not going to get the total mark, I want to get the marks of mathematics. So that means the first entry of each list is mathematics. So here I will remove this one. So A of 5, what happens? A of 5 will give the entire list. So let me run and show you. See, A of I is giving the entire list. So from this list I want the first element. So that is, first element is having the index 0. So here I can give like this, of 0. So when I print, you can see I am going to get the marks of mathematics alone. Suppose I want to get the marks of science, so instead of 0 I can give 1. Okay, so this will give the marks of science. So if I want to get the marks of language, so I can give -1 or I can give 2. Okay, so if I want to use forward index, I will give 2, or I can give -1. So this will list out the marks of languages.